Let's lie down in Shavasana for a few deep breaths. Let your feet fall out, bringing the hands on either sides with the palms facing up. Bring your attention to your breath, feeling the belly rise up with each inhale and falling down with each exhale. Let your entire body completely relax and melt into the mat with each breath. Slowly bring your attention back to your breath and start moving your fingers and toes. When you're ready, gently bring both the knees in close to the chest to come into Pavan Muktasana. Let's start rolling forward and back to create momentum, massaging the spine and the way, and finally try to stay up, and let's come into an easy cross-legged sitting position. We will finish with a pranayama practice, so let's sit comfortably in a cross-legged sitting position, grounding the sit bones, straighten your spine and align the head, neck, shoulders and hips. Relax your shoulders and bring the hands in Chin Mudra on the knees. We'll start with Kapalabhati Kriya. So as you know, in Kapalabhati, the focus is on active exhalation. Every time you exhale, the belly goes in. We'll start with 30 pumps in the first round. Let's start. Take a deep breath in and out. And relax. We'll do 2 more rounds. Take a deep breath in and out. And let's start. And relax. And let's start the last round. Take a deep breath in and out. and relax. Let's take a few normal breaths. Next, we'll do Nadi Shodhan Pranayama or alternate nostril breathing. We'll do 1:2 ratio. So bring your right hand in Vishnu Mudra. Close the right nostril with the right thumb. Take a deep breath in through the left nostril. Switch fingers and slowly exhale from the right side. Again, inhale from the right. Switch fingers and exhale from the left. Inhale left, 2, 3, 4. Switch, exhale right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale right, 2, 3, 4. Switch, exhale left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep going on. Slowly exhale from the left side and bring the right hand down. We'll finish with Bhramari Pranayama or the humming bee breath. Bring both the hands next to the ears. Close the flaps of the ears with your thumbs and gently place the fingers over the eyelids. Soften the jaw and bring the awareness to the center of the forehead. Take a deep breath in, and then as you exhale, create a deep humming sound. Last round. Slowly bring the hands down, keeping the eyes closed. We'll end with 3 Om chants. Inhale. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Bring your hands to heart center and let's start rubbing the palms to create heat in the palms. Slowly bring the hands over your eyelids and feel the healing heat of the palms through the eyelids. Gently bring the hands down and open your eyes. Hope you enjoyed today's practice. I'll see you soon. Till then, take care and bye-bye.